Right, Skylar, what do you got there, mate?
We got a package
From Shein.
From Shein, we got a package today. Everyone's here. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, everybody. Doesn't know what's going on yet. Hi. We gotta jump straight into the package. What do you reckon's in there? I think it's
Maybe clothes.
stuff. I did just open it already just to have a look. But
First one.
first one, what do we got? What do we got?
Whoa.
What's that? What's that, Mum?
T-shirt. I think.
Is that mine? Well, that might be for me. I reckon that one might be for me.
Take the Japan on the side.
Oh, it looks alright. Yeah, that's mine.
Nice.
Yeah,
Loose one, I think.
loose one. Might try it on a sec. What else we got?
There's this one. Looks like maybe another T-shirt.
Oh, yep, that one's for me too. I forgot what I ordered from Shein.
I think it's your items. Mum's.
King shirt.
I'm gonna say this one I like to put.
What's that one?
Another piece shorts for Dad.
Shorts.
Yeah. For Dad.
God, I did forget what I ordered, didn't I? I think these are cool looking ones.
Oh,
How cool is that? Show the phone. it's a sheep and a cat. Or is it a husky? How cool is that?
Husky.
Look at the belly buttons. They're cool as. Oh, what'd you get? Alright. Now these ones we won't be opening up because I already know what they are. They're balloons. We got a balloon pack. There should be, I think, 3 balloon packs. Yeah, what do you got? Cat. Meow. And they're doing another balloon pack. Yep. I think there's another balloon pack. Yeah, there's another balloon pack. There's specialty balloon packs. For shorts for Mum. Oh, they're tiny. I'm gonna put them on.
They're not short. Exactly.
Under the bikini bottom. Yeah,
It's a face mask.
Huh?
This is a baseball.
I think it's time for the one I really
What else we got?
Yeah.
Whoa, big one.
Oh, that's
Jumper.
fluffy. That's fluffy. This must be mine.
That's Mum's.
Mine.
Mum's jumper. Is that cute or what?
Can I do some? Can I do some? Yeah. Can I pull it there?
Oh, it's super cute. Soft? Very soft. It looks so soft. What else we got? Is that it? Is that the end? I might have to try some tops on.
Hey, what this is?
Let's see what we got there. What's that? What is that?
It's a Barbie
That's
ball.
empty.
I know what it is. I want you to.
I reckon that might go in there like that.
It's for vegetables.
Eat your...
Vegetables.
Put this in. It's not in properly. So go
Is
in.
it a
I
bar?
think it goes in the sink.
No. Doesn't go that way, Skylar. Oh yeah, it might go that way. You can put it that way, I suppose.
Shoots out.
Alright, let's go over the sink and have a look.
What does it do? It shoots out bullets. I'm running bullets.
No, it's loose. I think it just sits in it. No, that'd be right. Oh, you break it. Don't break it already. We just got it.
I think it shoots bullets.
It doesn't have to be straight. Either way, it's up to you. You'll be able to turn the tap if you put it that side. Yeah. So saying you can put it that way if you want.
What's that supposed to be?
Huh?
Just hold it.
What is it?
No. Do you know what to do?
No?
Pull. Pull the white bit.
Ah.
It extends out.
Don't do it much.
Extend it a little bit longer.
Listen, what does it do? Does it spray
Don't turn it in there, pull it
water?
out, because you'll break the...
Does it keep water inside it?
No.
I'm going to show you in a sec.
Is it a spray hose?
Look.
Ah. Oh, so we can put Pokemon cards inside it.
I don't know about Pokemon cards. That's just a bit crazy. Because they might get wet because they're in the...
No, let's just put them on, what is it? Put it inside the sink, but
Oh,
put
look
the
at
tap
that.
on the other side.
It's Japanese fancy, that is.
What or tap? I need to use that.
Better than just sitting on the middle.
Oh, now it's time to
It's supposed to-
destroy it.
Extend it a bit further.
Now it's time to get rid of it. Me, guys.
There you go.
Because it's random.
Yeah.
I'm not ready.
But that's pretty cool, something little. What do you reckon? Is that cute? You don't know what's going on, do you? Yes, it's fun though. Alright. I'm just gonna try on a jumper. Shelves, take the phone, I'll try a t-shirt on.
You need to tie the shorts.
Try shorts on as well. Yeah.
That's the stuff.
Let's talk about these. Pretty cool. Try to add one on. Shorts. They're a bit light, but they're nice and breezy, fresh. Reckon this look. That's so cool. Alright guys, that's our clothes. That's a Shein order. I got some good stuff. Get on there, have a look. Always got sales on. Not that we're endorsed by them or anything. If they want to, endorse us, send us some free stuff. Alright.
Like that video. Don't forget to